Just a quick check of what happens when you use the food probe and with or without the cook program. So here we're running with SV at 210 and we're running about PB about 211. And I'll plug in the food probe. And you'll see a change to, and I'll move that over here better, to whatever the food would be at that. Of course, it's showing ambient of 83. If I want to know what my set temperature is, I use the up or down arrow. And it'll show that, and then I'll, for a little moment till you come back. It does not cycle back and forth in this mode. If I put in a cook program, I did that fast to run through and get it started. It's showing our time, has smoke time left, or it could be cook time or hold time left remaining. Top means smoke, bottom is 33 minutes left. Okay. And then it shows the temperature of the food again. That's where it alternates. So it only alternates in the cook program. And it alternates between time, which is 33, and the food probe. Again, if you want to see what the set temperature is or change it, you press up or down arrow.